It's cold and rainy day. I'm hungry now and time to plan for the dinner. Really want to have spicy and tangy food. Let's search in YouTube. What is there? Is there an interesting food item? Wow, it seems I found one. How about street food style hakka noodles and sweet and spicy crisp chicken with that? Enough searching. Let's go shopping. Wanna come with me? Let's see what ingredients I can find in our local market. Rain has stopped now, but still it's cold and cloudy. I need boneless chicken, thigh fillet or breast fillet, 500 grams. I prefer Hokkien noodles. It tastes really good. I need capsicum. I would prefer red and green color. One garlic. Garlic is a very important part in any Chinese food.
Red chili.
Green chilies. Now the most important part. Yes, you guessed it right. Sauce. So I need to pick up some sauces to make my food very tasty and yummy. While cooking, I'll tell you what sauces I have used and the exact amount of them. Time to pick up some spices, though I'll not use much spices here, only black pepper and salt. Back home and it's already evening, so let's start cooking without any further delay. First I'll prepare sweet and spicy crisp chicken. While cutting the chicken pieces, knife should be 45-degree angled. That keeps the chicken tender. If you cut straight like 90-degree, it will not make your chicken that much tender like this. Make small pieces like around 1 inch cube. Transfer to a bowl for marination. One tablespoon salt. I need 2 egg whites, so I will separate the egg white and the yellow part. Into the chicken, the egg white part. Now clean your hand to make it dirty. Rub the chicken pieces with salt and egg white. Now 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Cornstarch will make the chicken pieces crispy. Now keep this marinated chicken aside for at least half an hour. Now I will prepare the cornstarch which I will be using to thicken the gravy. So for that 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and half cup of water. The water should be room temperature. Time for veggies. I will prefer to give carrot and capsicum here. I would love to do some carrot flowers. So see how I am doing that. One straight cut and one corner like 45-degree angle cut. And I will take out the small slice from this carrot. And the same thing I will repeat for 4 times. So that will give me a very nice floral structure of this carrot. See, now the floral structure is done. Now I will cut into thin slices to get some small flowers. See how cute they are? Isn't it very beautiful way to serve healthy vegetables even to the kids? I have used red and green bell pepper. If you want, you can use yellow as well, more colorful. And capsicum themselves are very beautiful, so I just need to cut them slices and see already I am having floral structure. Great, right? Looks like we will be having very colorful food tonight. Also, I need green chilies and some chopped ginger and garlic. Done with all cutting and chopping, let's prepare the sauce. Chili vinegar 2 tablespoons. If you don't have chili vinegar, go for normal vinegar. Now dark soya sauce is very important, but don't put it much. 1 teaspoon is fine. Now this hot chili sauce 2 teaspoons. Now the magic ingredient. What was that? Yes, it's brown sugar. That will give you an unique flavor. Heat the pan. Pour oil into it. Oil should be sufficient to fry all these chicken pieces. Those should be deep fried. And after that, we will reduce the oil. Check whether the oil is hot enough and then put the chicken pieces into this. Deep fry the chicken pieces for around 5 minutes in high flame. After 5 minutes, you can see some beautiful golden spot, but this chicken will not be brown because we have covered with corn flour. That will not give the brownish texture. Rather, they will be whitish but a bit of light golden spots on it. The fried chickens are soft and tender inside and crisp golden outside. Now reduce the oil and keep only 2 tablespoons. Heat the oil and in goes 1 tablespoon garlic and 1 tablespoon ginger after that. Saute a bit till you get a nice aroma of this garlic and ginger. Now we will add chopped chili. It depends upon your taste how spicy you want. I don't want much spicy as my sauce are already spicy, the sauce mixture which I have prepared. So 4-5 chilies, 4-5 slices of chilies. Then half onion. I have cubed them. I have cut them like cubes, and we don't need much onion, but just for enhancing the taste I have added some onion, and I will make them transparent, not brown. Then I'm adding the other vegetables, bell peppers, and then I'll add carrot and I'll saute them. They need not be fully cooked and they should have this crunchiness, and that will give a very good flavor. After that I'm adding the sauce mixture, and then I will add my chicken. So I'm adding the sauce mixture into this, and in goes the chicken pieces. Mix the chicken pieces with the sauce mixture. Now add the corn flour mixture to thicken the gravy. Saute for around another 2-3 minutes and we are done. You can have it with Hakka noodles. Our noodles recipe is there in the link. Now it's time to serve dinner.
It's very juicy and it's very crispy. I really like it. These noodles are all also very juicy. You must try these stuff. They're really good.
She loves her dinner. Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section. Also, please like and subscribe if you like it. Bye.